Yo, what is going on, everybody? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online coach, teaching you the best money making strategies on the internet. And today, I just want to share with you a very, very simple money making strategy that can be done worldwide with all of your smart devices. I'm talking about tablets, laptops, desktops, smartphones, all of your devices. As long as they connect to the internet, you can apply this and start making money. It works worldwide. It's very, very simple to do. It pays out in Bitcoin, Ethereum, PayPal Cash, Xbox Cash, and the list goes on. You guys, you are absolutely going to love what I have to share with you. It literally can happen at the click of a button. You can be visiting websites, watching videos, taking some surveys, and the list just keeps going on. There are literally almost thousands of tasks on this website. I absolutely love it. I'm very excited about it, and I just want to get it out to you so that you can actually start earning some extra free money. So simple to do. Let's jump straight on into this. I do not want to waste any of your time. All right, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started making you some free PayPal Cash, some free Bitcoin, some free Ethereum. You're absolutely going to love this, just like I said. But before we get too deep into this video, if you are brand new to this channel, make sure that you have subscribed, hit the bell notification. That way you are notified immediately when I come out with new videos, because I'm coming out with videos every single week teaching you the best ways to make money online. You guys, make sure that you like this video. Make sure that you drop a comment. Even if you just say make money online, let me know that you were here. Show some love. It helps to grow this channel so I can continue to get this information out to as many people as possible and help them make money as well. Alrighty, my friends, let's get started making some money. The name of the website that you're going to want to be at today is called lootcoins.gg, and I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video that will bring you directly to this website. It will be directly underneath my #1 recommendation, you guys. If you've never checked that out, make sure that you check out that as well. That is how I make money online, a majority of my money online, you guys. It's a real online business, and it's what I highly recommend if you really want to break free and live a real life of freedom. The method that we're going to be talking about today is going to earn you some extra cash. Ultimately, what I recommend that you do with that money is that you invest it back into yourself and start your own online business, you guys. The best thing that you can possibly do for yourself is invest in yourself and start an online business, a legitimate online business where you can work from anywhere in the world. Have a life of freedom. Okay, so let's navigate to this website, you guys. Click on that link, and it's going to bring you directly over here. Now, when you arrive on this website and you are brand new, what you're going to notice right up here at the top is that they have a login and a register button right here. If you're brand new, obviously you're going to want to register. Once you click this button, it's going to ask for your name. It's going to ask for a username. It's going to ask for an email, some very, very simple stuff. It's going to ask for you to create a password as well. It takes literally maybe 30 seconds to sign up, no more than a minute. Very, very simple stuff. I will say as well, once you register, they're going to make sure that you put a legitimate email address in there, because they are going to send you out an email and verify that you put a legitimate email address in there. So save yourself some time, put a legitimate email address, go confirm the email, and then it's going to let you log in. Real quickly here, before we actually log in, I want to point out a few things that are on this homepage right here that I think are very, very important, because it discusses kind of what I've already been talking about. Is that this website right here, you guys, and this can be done on your tablets, smartphones, desktops, laptops, they are offering the ability to earn free money by completing the most simplest of tasks. And literally, some of these tasks literally are just clicking on a link and visiting a website maybe for a couple minutes. One of them I clicked on, literally, they just wanted you to visit the website, and then they paid out cash just for doing that. It's so simple, you guys. Some of the other tasks that you can be doing is completing surveys and watching videos. Some of them are, signing up for different things, free vouchers. We're going to look at that all in a second, so I don't want to talk too much about that. But what you're going to notice here is that they pay out in Bitcoin, Bitskins, Opskins, PayPal, and Xbox One. So if you're a gamer and you want Xbox One cash, to buy games or whatever is in the Xbox marketplace, you can do that as well. But the two big ones that I thought were really cool is the PayPal Cash and the Bitcoin, and they also pay out in Ethereum as well. So a bunch of different crypto options there. Really, really cool stuff, you guys. As you can see right there, they talk about getting paid to watch videos, getting paid to take surveys. And some of these you can do 3 to 4 times a day, doing the same thing over and over again. and it's just very, very simple. So let's go ahead and log in, and I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like once you get logged in so that you can actually see what these tasks are and how much points and money that you can actually earn doing this. Alrighty, now that you're signed up, you're logged in, what you're going to see is this page right here. Now, the offers that are going to be presented to you are going to be targeted for your country and your language. So you'll see some different things on here as to what's available to you. What you're going to notice up here at the top that's important is these different offer walls. And you can toggle between all of these different ones to see all the different kinds of simple tasks that you can be completing. Some of them have little sub tabs within here that you can click on to see even more offers, you guys. And some of these offers, like I'm talking about, are just very, very simple. If you like to play games, you can download the games and play them, and they tell you exactly what they're expecting of you to do to actually claim the points. You're going to see the point values over here in green. They're going to tell you exactly how much that's worth, and these points can be cashed out in the form of Bitcoin, PayPal, Xbox Cash, and all the ones that we've already talked about. So, for example, right here, if you were to download this Rise of Kings game, you have to, it's saying right here, you're going to get your rewards for building a city hall of up to level 17. This must be done in under 25 days from the install. And then they will count only new users from the first time of install. And this is up to 5,000 points. So you want to make sure that you're doing exactly what they ask you to do in this task right here before you actually click on that. So be sure that you're actually willing to do that. Now, some of these things, you guys, are just installing apps and hanging out on the app for a minute. This one just literally wants you to install it and open the app. So install Life Extend Health Living, collect your 338 points just for installing and opening up the app. Like I said, some of them are very simple. Some of them ask you, to do a couple different steps. They have things in here such as downloading Norton antivirus. You can save up to $55 off doing this. Everybody needs antivirus. You get 1,200 points for doing this. If you want to play, like I said, playing games, they have VPNs, all kinds of really cool stuff. They even have kid games on here. If you have a child and you're going to get ABC Mouse, I've seen this advertised a lot, you guys. This is very, very very reputable, well-known company. And you can collect 2,000 points just for signing up for your free trial right here. So even if you don't want to keep this, you can collect 2,000 points just for doing this. If you need XM Radio, Swag Bucks, this is another great site, honestly, too, by the way, where you can go and do a bunch of really small tasks such as surveys and stuff like that. Highly recommend that, you guys. 23,000 points, for signing up, and it just blows my mind how easy it is on this website. If you come up here, if you want to see just things for mobile apps, you can do that. And all the stuff they have in here is just so legit, you guys. I have Stash installed on my phone. That's a great way to invest, by the way, if you're wanting to learn how to invest. Highly, highly recommend that. If you want to watch videos, you can come here, click on the different tasks, just by watching, get paid literally just, for watching videos. They have stuff on here that you can do literally in one click. These tasks right here, you guys, are literally like visiting websites, and you can do this up to 4 times a day, every single day, and you get 20 points just for clicking on these and visiting these websites. Some of them, you have to pay attention though, because some of them actually ask you to hang out on there for a couple of minutes. But very, very simple stuff. This one right here at the bottom, they're going to pay you literally for going and collecting free coupons. They're going to pay you 40 points, and then you're going to get 25 free coupons to actually go out there and spend. Jumping back up to the top here real quickly. Like I said, I don't want to keep repeating myself, but you can come to all these different tabs and see all the different offers that they have available, and all of them are 100% legit, you guys. You're absolutely going to love this. You can get paid for taking surveys, just like I said. If you come over here to Offer Daddy, they have a bunch of offers, and I don't want to keep repeating myself because I feel like that's all I'm going to keep doing if I keep looking, if I keep showing you guys this. But each one of these has different really cool little offers. This one right here on Kiwi Wall has videos, and the list just keeps going on. They have daily surveys, they have mobile stuff, fast paying surveys that pay out very quickly. Come check this out. I think you're absolutely going to love this. Some of the other things that I do want to point out is that if you have any questions, they have a live little chat going on right over here on the side that you can come over here, chat with other users. You can actually chat with people that are supporting Loot Coins that can actually answer your questions, ask them when you're going to get paid out. You can see right here that 1,000 there. Someone asked how, the point values. 1,000 points is equal to 5 cents right there. You can make up to $50 a day just by completing simple offers. So come here, ask your questions, interact with the other users that are on here. It's a great way to get your questions answered. And I really like this. If you come over here to the money tab right here, this is where you can actually see how you can withdraw that. We'll click on that real quickly here. You can see you can get paid via PayPal. You can get paid via Ethereum right there. It shows you what your balance is. It shows you what the minimum is. So you have to have a minimum of $10 to actually be paid out. Just a small, FYI right there. So earn up to at least $10 before they're going to pay you out. You can select Ethereum. You can see the different minimums and stuff like that. So actually, if you have Ethereum, you can collect up to just $1 and they will pay you out for that. Notice the fees down here. Small disclaimer, they do have some fees when you go to actually pay out. Real quickly here, just a few other things I'd like to point out is that you can actually redeem your money for gift cards as well. Remember, we were talking about Xbox, gift cards. So if you like the Xbox Marketplace, you can come here and collect Xbox gift cards as well. They have PlayStation gift cards. If you have a PlayStation, you can come here and redeem your voucher codes as well. Some of the tasks that they have give you voucher codes. This is a great way to collect those points. This is where you're going to enter those voucher codes to actually redeem that. And just one other spot that I think is pretty neat is if you're into betting, they have a dice game on here, and you can actually, bet some money to, obviously earn money. Do so at your own risk. But if you're a betting person, you can come here, roll some dice, test your luck, and see if you can make some extra money that way as well. And then also, the way to get back to the homepage, if you ever get lost in here, is just click on this little teddy bear thing up here at the top. It's going to bring you right back to all the offers and right back to their homepage. So there you have it, my friends. That's going to be a wrap. Go out there, test this out. Let me know what you think. Make sure that you check out the link in the description. Don't forget to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you guys. That's what I got started doing literally about 8 months ago, and I have had insane results. And if you know my story at all, I have struggled for so long with so many different types of businesses and made literally zero to no money. And I really just wanted something different this time, where someone would take me by the hand and show me exactly what I was supposed to be doing, you guys. And if that sounds appealing to you, if you want to start your own online business and you're serious this year in 2020, make sure that you check out my #1 recommendation. Is a group of professionals that are part of my team that will literally show you exactly what you need to be doing. And within 15 days, you can be up and running and, actually making money with your own online business. Cannot recommend that enough. Make sure that you like this video, you guys. Make sure that you comment. Make sure that you share it. It helps to grow my channel. It helps to get this information out to as many people as possible. And I'm always super grateful for every single like, every single share, every single comment that I get. So that's all I have for you. I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.